Allure is starting off the new year with a bang. Yes, they are. They guarantee us 6 items, and 3 are full size, 3 are sample size. This time, 5 are full size. So let's get into it. They start us off with a product from Tarte. This is the one that we got to customize. They're now getting very consistent in allowing us to customize one item. And so we got a sculpt tape from Tarte. There were 4 to choose from. I went with the shade Cool Bronze. And they say in the little brochure that they give us that one should use quickly when applied because it dries quickly. Oh, well, that's good information to know. Yes, it is. This is full size and has a retail suggested price of $36 for 0.4 ounces. From Obagi, we have the Hydrate Facial Moisturizer, and it indicates in the brochure that this is a lightweight yogurt-like texture rather than a thick cream. Interesting to know. And it also tells us that it has shea butter and mango butter and hydrating avocado oil and moisture-locking glycerin. And it is full size at 1.7 ounce for $65. Wow. Yeah, you get some good prices with these items. From Mitchell & Feach, we have the English Leaf Body Souffle. Don't eat the product. Don't eat the product. This is just a little over 2 ounces with a suggested retail of $28. So it's another full-size item. And it's lightweight, can be worn day or night. Scent of citrus, coriander, and basil that layers nicely under or instead of your favorite fragrance. Well, I gotta say, I took a little sniff, and boy, could I smell that basil. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one and use it on my feet or pass it along. At the halfway point, Anne has decided this is her favorite item. Yes, I think of the 3 so far, this is piquing my interest the most. Have you tried it? Let me know, let me know. What did you see in the first half of the box that looked interesting to you? Let me know. I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. We have a code in our description box down below for first-time subscribers to Allure. If you want to try it, you'll get a free item. And now, moving right along with this video. From Blake Brown Beauty, we have a fundamental nourishing mask. This thing is hefty. It is a hair mask. I've heard different people say that they don't mind the scent, and I've heard other people say that it smells like an old lady. I wasn't wild about the scent, yet you do rinse it out. So that is a reason why I might give this one a try, just to see if it can do anything for these ends over here. According to the little brochure, it says that it has glycerin and sunflower seed extract, as well as cardamom and cedarwood. That's probably what I'm picking up on because I'm not wild about it. But like I said, you wash it out, you rinse it out. And it is full size for 8 ounces, $20. I gotta say, that's not a bad price as things go. From Paul Mitchell, we have a sample size item that will help your hair with frizz, flyaways, and help to prevent heat damage or repair heat damage. This is the sample size. It didn't come with a top, but they did have it packaged in a Ziploc style baggie so it wouldn't make goo everywhere, and it did not ooze out in the baggie, so at least they were thinking ahead. And that is a sample size. Retail is $28.50 for 5.1 ounce. It has smoothing silicones and sweet notes of apples and berries. That sounds pretty good. Yes, it does. And it's going to give us a sleek, shiny finish to our hair. And last up, we have another full-size item, 3 pairs of under-eye masks. Yep, 3 pairs is a full-size item. Yeah. Hey, I'm not knocking it. Levitate Beauty Cool and Hydrate Hydrogel Under-Eye Masks formulated with collagen, ginseng, and pearl extract. And it is $4 for 3 pairs, which actually, that's not a bad price at all. No, it's not. And basically they're saying the same thing that I just read to you: ginseng root extract, moisture locking glycerin, and brightening pearl extract to give tired, puffy under eyes a run for their money. Anne has decided that her 2 favorites from this half of the box are the Paul Mitchell Serum and the Levitate Under Eye Masks. What did you see that you liked? Let me know. Do you get this box? What do you think about the fact that there's 2 hair products in here? I'm not opposed to that concept, yet I know some people do find it to be a little bit of overkill. And hitting the nitty-gritty really quickly, this is a $30 a month box. You can get a lesser price if you subscribe for several months, but shop with what your budget allows. They guarantee 6 items, 3 full size, 3 sample size. This month they gave us 5. That was very nice. Started us off with a bang. That it did. They're into doing add-ons now, and I've noticed over the last few months that the number of add-ons available is increasing. We haven't purchased any because a lot of them are things that we already got in boxes, yet nice to know that if you liked something in a box, you can get it maybe as an add-on the next month at a lesser price. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends because they're trying to build up our channel. And we do hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.